guide, I will be showing you guys how to get Roblox Select account features after the new update. Let's get started. Roblox Select features are only available for accounts that fall into the 9 to 15 age group. Roblox uses an automatic age check system to assign accounts into different tiers. If an account is older than 16 or does not fall into this range, you will see standard or different age restricted features instead. So it's important to understand that access depends on your verified age. Now, if your account hasn't been properly age verified yet, Roblox may place it into default or limited mode until verification is completed. To fix this and ensure you get the correct select account features, you can go to account settings and complete age verification. This can be done either by uploading a valid government issue ID or using Roblox facial age estimation system through your device camera. These scans are processed securely and detected right after verification. Once your account is verified and placed into the Roblox Select tier, you'll get access to curated experience designed for that age group. This includes a filtered catalog of games that are rated up to moderate maturity, meaning you will only see experiences that are approved and age appropriate. You may also notice updated communication settings where chat features can be limited or restricted depending on your age and reason, sometimes allowing interaction only with trusted friends. On top of that, parents can also manage additional controls such as screen time limits, viewing play history, or approving specific experiences outside the normal access list through parental controls. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.